Good morning student, welcome to the online math class, and today I have to explain the exercise 17.2. As you know that in my previous video we have to complete the exercise 17.1, and I have to give you some questions for the homework, and I feel you have to do all these work at your notebook. If any type of concern or if any type of query related with these questions, then you have to ask me. I have to solve your problem as soon as possible and also make a separate video if you have so many type of query. Student, everyone complete this work, and also only two chapters you have. After completing this chapter you have only two chapter, like your introduction of graph, that is your last chapter, and also chapter number 11, simple interest and compound interest. These two chapters is left after completing this chapter. And student, this is your last video of this chapter, and after this video this chapter is complete. And if any type of doubt related with this chapter, or also in doubt in your previous chapter, you have to ask me. So here we have to start our video with the help of my first question, that is given in your book. You have to see in your book. The question is, a coin is tossed two times, what write its sample space. So here it will say कि you have a coin, and that coin you have to toss two times. So when the two time you have to toss, so uh, some outcomes is given that coin, or you have found some outcomes related with this tossing of that coin. Okay student, so a coin is tossed two times, so that time when it will toss, so that time the sample space is created. Just like first time you get first time you get a head, second time you get a tail, or either be first time you get a head, second time you get a tail, or first time you get a tail but second time you get a head, or either be in the first time you get a tail and second time you also get a tail. So these type of sample space, these type of occupation you get when you have to toss a coin two times. Okay, now this is your answer only. Now we have to discuss the second question. Vinayak throw a dice, what is the probability that he will get an odd number? So everyone play with the dice. Student, in the Lido you have to play with the dice, and that time when you have to play with the dice, that time you have to get how many numbers. First is 1, second is 2, third 3, 4, 5 and 6. These number you have to get when you have to throw a dice. Okay, so these are the sample space for this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the sample space. That's mean output when you have to throw a dice. So that output you get. So this is known as a sample space. The output collection is known as a sample space. So student, here it will say कि you have to find the probability of odd number. So in these number, how many is odd? You very well know 1, 3 and 5. So only three number, that is the odd. When you have to draw a throw a dice, that time you get 1, 3 or 5. These are the odd number in the on the dice that you have to throw, and you have to see this number. Okay, so these are the odd number. So here the total odd number you get 2, sorry 3. Total odd number you get 3, and total output you have 6. So that value is 3 upon 6. So this is the probability of odd number. First of all, you have to put the favorite outcome. Favorite outcome is odd number, and odd number you get 3 only, and the total outcome, that value is 6. So 3 upon 6, so that's mean 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, that's value 1 upon 2. So with the help of these things you get the probability of odd number when you have to throw a dice. Okay, now we have to start our next question. That question is question number 3. The question number 3 is on your screen. See everyone. Question number 3 is related with another things, that is you very well know. On a table there are 18 English books, 25 maths books, 22 science books, 21 history books and the 14 social studies book. And student, if a professor select the book at randomly, what is the probability that is history book you get? Student, you very well know how many books you get and how many subject you have in this question. So total subject you very well know, first is English, second is math, third is science, fourth is history and fifth is social studies. Student, all the numbers, yeah, all the numbers of a book, just like an English, how many books are English, that is a 18 it will give. So total number of a English books or total number of a math books it will give also, total number of science books it will give also, total number of history book, that's the 21, total number of social science book, that's the 14. So how many the books you have? So you have to calculate these things after editing all these numbers, and then you get the total books. So total books is equal to 18 plus 25 plus 22 plus 21 plus 14, and now you get the total book. So total book you have 100 book here. And student, it will say कि you a professor is selected randomly one book and that book is the history. So history book it will select. So how many total history book you have? 21. So favorite outcome is 21 here and total number of outcome is 100. So that's mean the answer of that question you very well know, probability of a history book is equal to 21 upon 100. Student, if this number is divisible with anyone, then you have to divide it, otherwise you have to left this question as you have to write it here. Okay, so 21 and 100 is not come in any type of table, both number is not come in any type of table, so we are not divide these things and we get the answer 21 upon 100. So this is your answer of the question number third. Okay, now we have to discuss about the question number 4, and question number 4 is as similar as this question. So see it here. Question number 4, see in a book, and I have to read this question, so everyone see in a book. Question is, in 210 there was a survey conduct of 200 pupils. It was found that 82 like orange juice, while 118 dislike it. From these pupils, one is chosen at random, and what is the probability that chosen pupil dislike the orange juice? Here, as you know that total number of pupil it will gives. So total number of pupil, that means the total number of outcome. So here total number of pupil it will give. So total number of pupil here 200. So that is a total outcome. It will give the total outcome here. So first things you have, and after that you have to find the favorite number of favorite outcome. So favorite is here, whose person that is not like the orange juice. So that means dislike the orange juice person. So here it will say कि number of a orange juice like pupil is 82 and dislike pupil person is number is 118. So that's mean the number of a dislike person is 18. So that's my favorite value. So 118 is my favorite value and total number is this. So probability of dislike juice, that's value is 118, that is my favorite value, and upon total number of outcome, total is 200. So that's mean 118 upon 200, and then you have to divide this value with the help of 2. So 2 5 ja 10 and 2 9 ja 18, and 2 is also cut this value, then you get 100. So that's value 59 upon 100. This is the answer of that question. If the pupil is dislike the juice, that is the probability of that answer. Student, after that this question we have to come on the next question. That question is also be quite easy and simple. As you know that this exercise is quite easy. First of all, you have to find the favorite outcome, and then after you have to find the total outcome and divide these things, favorite outcome upon total outcome. This value is a probability and get your answer. Simple as it. Quite simple exercise, not we have to uh, fare with this exercise. Student, you have to learn only these things, के number of a favorite outcome upon total number of outcome. This is the formula of a probability. Okay, so as you know that के next question is this के each of the letter of the word success is written on the card and all the cards are placed into a bag. A card is randomly selected from the bag. Find the probability that the card bears. First section you have letter S. Now the second is a bobbles and third is letter A. Student, in this question, as you know that you have a word, that word is success, and in this word how many letter you have, so you have to count it here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total number of word is 7. So that is my total number of outcome is here. Now we have to find the favorite outcome. So this question is gives divide this question into the three sections. So here the first section it will say कि the letter of S. So student, here my favorite words is S, so we have to find the number of S. How many number of S is in the word of success? So the word of success have a 3S, because there this is the first S, second S and third S. So total S you have 3 in the success word. So this is my favorite outcome. Now the probability of S is equal to favorite outcome upon total number of outcome. Now you get the answer as usual, as simple. Okay, simple and easy questions. So 3 upon 7, that is my favorite outcome. Favorite outcome is 3 and total number of outcome is 7. So 3 upon 7, that is my answer. Student, one things you have to know here, कि no one put the highest value in the न्यूमिनेटर. न्यूमिनेटर में कभी भी आप हाईएस्ट वैल्यू नहीं राइट करेंगे. न्यूमिनेटर में आप कौन सी वैल्यू राइट करेंगे? स्मॉलेस्ट. एंड इन द डिनोमिनेटर यू हैव टू पुट द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू. डिनोमिनेटर में कभी आप हाईएस्ट वैल्यू पुट नहीं करेंगे अगर आप प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल रहे हैं तो दैट्स कंसेप्ट यू हैव टू लर्न कि in when you have to find the probability, so that time you have to put the less value in the numerator and the greatest value in the denominator. Only these things you have to learn, then your question is quite easy and simple. Okay, now we have to go our next section of this question. So next section is you have to find a vowels. So student, in the success how many vowels you have, and first of all we have to explain you what is the vowels here. Vowels is just you know that these things as a vowels: a, e, I, o, u. These are the vowels in the English alphabet. Okay, in the English alphabet these are the vowels only: a, e, I, o, u. You have to remember these things. So in the success you have only two vowels, u and e. Okay, u and e you have only two vowels, so that's favorite value is 2 and total number you get 7. So 2 upon 7, that is the probability of these things. So probability of a vowels is equal to 2 upon 7 if the success word is given. Now the next question it will say कि find the letter of A. So in the success there is no letter is A. Success word में कहीं पर भी A नहीं आता. तो total number of words you have, that is 0. So probability here, that's value is 0 upon 7, because the favorite outcome is 0 and total number is 7. So 0 upon 7, that's value is 0. Quite easy. Okay, so first of all you have to find the total number of outcome and then after you have to find the favorite outcome. Favorite outcome is given in your question and then you have to find the number of favorite outcome. And then you have to put the number of favorite outcome in the numerator and the total number of outcome in the denominator, and then you get your answer. Are you understand these things? Now we have to give you some question at your home. Question number 6, 7 and 8. These are the quite easy and simple question, and just like that which I have to explain here, these question you have to do it. Student, here the question number 6 we have to explain what you have to do in the question number 6. See in your book, in a restaurant there are 5 manager, 15 servers and 10 cooks and 15 other personals. If a person is selected at randomly, what is the probability that a person is either a manager or a cook? So student, here you very well know total person you have, manager is 5. So 5 plus servers is 15. So 5 plus 15, that's value 20, and plus 10, cook is 10 is here na. So 20 plus 10 30, and plus 15, so 30 plus 15, that's the other person. So 30 plus 15, total person is 45. So in the question number 6, total number of favorite outcome is 45, and it will say कि you have to find a manager or a cook. So when you have to find the manager and a cook, so that time first of all you have to find the probability of manager, and then after you have to find the probability of cook. So probability of manager, you have how many manager you have? 5. In the question number 6, total manager you have 5. So total manager you have 5. So 5 upon total value is 45. So 5 upon 9. So that is the probability of a manager. So 1 upon 9 is the probability of manager, and cook probability 10 upon 45. So 5 2 ja and 5 9 ja, so that's value 2 upon 9. So this is a cook probability and this is a manager probability. Okay, and then after you have to check it or add it these things. You have to add these things. You have to add the probability of cook and probability of manager, and then after you have to get your value. Okay, you have to add the probability of manager and probability of cook, and then you get your answer in the question number 6. Okay, just like a 7 is quite easy, and just like this you have to do this question. Question 7 is probability that event A will cover is 0.33. What is the probability that event A will not cover? So if it will say कि cover probability is this, and you have to find the uncover probability means not cover probability. So that time you have to subtract that value with the 1, and this answer is 1 minus 0.33, and इसको 1 में से घटा दीजिएगा. This answer is 7. So now with the help of these things, when event is given and not event it will ask, so that time you have to subtract within the 1, that's value, that's probability you have to subtract within the 1, and then you have to get the not event. Okay, not event probability. So by this way you have to solve your 7th question, and 8th question is just like that, the question number 6, and then your question number 5th 6, 7 and 8 is complete. Now we have to explain our next question. Next question is question number 9th. Bete students, what question number 9th is, what is the probability of getting a sum 9 from 2 dice of to throw a dice? Means एक dice को you have to throw 2 times. One dice you have to throw 2 times. So that time you get that sample space. Here we have to show here. So total sample space is 36. Student, how to get the sample space? I have to explain one uh, uh, again these things. Just like on the first dice you have to get a 1, on the second dice you have to get a 1, or either be on the first time you have to get a 1, or either on the second dice you have to get the 2. So just like that you have to write all these sample space. So with the help of these sample space we have to get the total number of sample space. So total number of sample space you have, number of sample space is 36. You have to count these things when you have to make a sample space with the help of these things. Okay, first of all, on the first dice it will get the 1, on the second dice it will get the 1, on the first dice it will get this, or in the second dice it will get this. So with the help of these things you have to find the sample space, and total number of sample space is 36. Student, it will say कि you have to find the sum of that pair. So here you very well know कि with the help of these things we get the sum of the pair. So sum of the pair and you get the answer is 9. So 9 is get with this pair. Okay, you have to see these things. 9 is get with this pair because 3 plus 6, that's value 9. And also this value 4 plus 5, that's value 9, or 5 plus 4, that's value 9, or 6 plus 3, that's value 9. So student, you get only 4 pair that that sum is 9. Okay, so with the help of these things you get the pair that sum is 9. So total number of a pairing is 4 here. So you have number of pair is 4, that sum is 9, and total is 36. So probability of a sum of 9 is 4 upon 36, because our favorite outcome is 4 and total number is 36. So 4 upon 36, 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36, that's value is 1 upon 9. So with the help of these things you have to find the probability. Student, now we have to explain the question number 10. Question number 10, as usually you very well know, similar with the previous questions. Okay, so question number 9 is, you have, what is the probability that a number selected from the number 1, 2, 3 and up to 15 is a multiple of 4? So it will say that you have a sample space 1 to 15. So here you have to write the sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15. So total, how many? The total number of sample space, that's value is 15 only. Okay, so total 15 is, so total number of a sample space is 15. Now it will say that you have to find the multiples of 4. So 1 to 15, in the value of 1 to 15, how many numbers is cut with the help of 4? So you have to cut only these number 3, these 3 number, 4 cut जाएगा, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, but 4 4 ja 16, that's value is greater than the 15, so we are not right here. Okay, so the total number of multiples you get in the 1 to 15, that's value is 3. So our favorite outcome is 3 and our total outcome is 15, so that's value probability of 4 multiples you get. Favorite outcome is 3 and total number is 15. So 3 upon 15. Now you have to cut this value with the help of 5. Oh sorry, 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. That value is 1 upon 5. Okay. Now with the help of these things you have to find the probability. Quite easy and simple chapter or exercise. Student, after these things your chapter number data handling is also be completed. Chapter number, I think this is a chapter number 17. So now your chapter number 17 is complete. In my previous video we have to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 18, introduction of graph. And if any type of query with the help of these chapter in this chapter, so or also be in your previous chapter, then you have to ask me directly. I have to solve your problem as soon as possible. Student, one things you very well know, कि everyone complete your work. I have to want to see your notebook as soon as possible. I would not give the date because my syllabus is not complete, that's why we are not give the date to check this notebook. But when our syllabus is complete, that time we have to give your date when you have to check your notebook. Okay, so everyone complete your notebook as soon as possible. In the homework question, if you have to any type of doubt, then you have to directly ask me or comment in the below of that video. I see all the comments and also I give the reply when you have to ask any type of problem in the comment box, and also you have to give your problem on my WhatsApp number. I have to solve your problem on the WhatsApp also. Okay, so if you have any type then you have to give it me. Okay, thank you for watching this video.